Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. So we do so by first putting the key blade into the upright position. And now we need to get a very small and thin flat-headed screwdriver. And just in the corner here, we can just get the blade of the screwdriver underneath the cover and just prise it. Prise the cover off. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. Just very gently remove it from the body of the fob. Now get your little screwdriver again and just very gently prise it from the housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and just pop it back into the housing on this one, making sure that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we just pop the battery back into the body, like so, and we just very carefully pop the cover back on. And there you go. It's all done.